Hello everyone, this video is about a journey to Chreav Waterfall, which is located in Kampong Speu province. Here is a landscape along the way. Starting from the beginning, the view looks so fresh and relaxing, with many trees along the way. And we can also see the view of the mountain in front of us, so beautiful. Here we take another turn of the street toward our destination. Alright, when you reach at this place, it means you are getting very close to the waterfall. Okay, let's see the view on the both sides. On the both sides of the road, we can enjoy to look the view, the fresh view, fresh natural and fresh air as well. This kind of scenery is recommended for those who enjoy taking a relax from work or study. It's perfect for people who love relax in a chill way, riding a big motorbike through the mountain, through the forest, and hanging out with friends, going on a romantic trip with a partner, or enjoying trip with their family as well. In short, it's great for anyone who loves this kind of natural view. Okay, so now we arrive at the beautiful destination. Here you see. Anyway, before you reach the waterfall, you will pass a place where people sell a lot of food and drink. And there are many kind of food, many kind of drink that you can choose which one that you prefer. Yes, and you can easily to buy something to eat or to drink for enjoy it while relaxing, watching the water, and listen to the sound of the bird. Here is the way up to the waterfall. At Chreav, the waterfall has 8 levels. Okay, so now let's go to see the first level with us. So here is the second level of waterfall. Each level gives us a different view and different feeling also.
At level 3 is a quiet place with flat rock and small pool, great for relaxing and taking pictures. As we move to the level 4, the water flows faster. Here you can enjoy the cool stream and night forest view. For the level 5, this level have a deep pool where you can swim and it's more exciting and fun. At level 6, water drop over big rock. It's beautiful, but be careful, the rocks are slippery.
Now we move to the 7th floor of the waterfall. It is the most beautiful of all, and you can stand under the waterfall and you will feel cold water on your back. And now we move one more, is the last floor. It is the 8th floor of the waterfall. Finally, we just reached the level 8. It is the highest and most powerful. But if you want to enjoy with the bird sound or water sound, you can choose this floor.